Myself Ritika from BSc Food Science, Nutrition and Dietetics. I'm studying in Dr. MGRERI Educational and Research Institute. So BSc Food Science, Nutrition and Dietetics. So it is a wide range of scope course. We can explore more in it about food, about nutrition, about dietetics, how it plays a good role in a human.
Scope of this course is you can become a clinical nutritionist and pediatric nutritionist and sports nutritionist, and you can also become a food technologist and food analyst.
I feel this is a better place because I gain knowledge through webinars and a symposium conducted in the department through the eminent people in the field of food science and nutrition, which help us keep updated on the current trends in the domain of food science and nutrition.
We have a lot of opportunities and a lot of scopes in this department. Especially we have industry and hospitality management also over here. And our college environment is such a good place where we spend a lot of time, and they have been motivating me a lot in my sports and also in my educational path.
Thank you for this, giving me this wonderful opportunity to be here, and thank you.